Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 1.2 from the 2018 Maths Lit Paper 1 for grade 11s, and this question deals with data handling and reading data from a table and using that data to answer questions. So on to 1.2.1. So firstly, before I read it, given us table 1 and below shows Babu's running time for the 2015 Comrades Marathon at various points on the route. So they've given us the various points, so like Lion Park, Camper Down, halfway, and then how many kilometers into the race those points are at, and then his time in hours, minutes, and seconds when he reaches those points. So using this table, we can answer the following questions. So for the first one, determine the distance from Camper Down to Mayville. So Camper Down, you can see, is a distance of 26.9 kilometers, and Mayville is at 82.3. So we need to find the difference in these two different distances to find out the distance between them. So for 1.2.1, so as I said, the Camper Down distance, reading it from the table, is 26.9 kilometers. The Mayville distance is at the point of 82.3 kilometers. So then therefore our distance between, will equal this difference, so it's going to be 82.3 minus the 26.9 kilometers, and put this into your calculator and you get that this comes to 55.4 kilometers. So that is the difference. Okay, and then on to the next one, which is 1.2.2. Calculate how long it took Babu to run from the halfway mark to Pinetown. So the halfway mark is over here, and he reached that point at 3 hours, 5 minutes and 14 seconds. And then Pinetown is over there, and he reached this point at 4 hours, 54 minutes and 45 seconds. So in order to find out how long it took him to get from point A to point B, we need to subtract point B's time from A. So if we subtract this amount from this amount, we'll get the difference, and that's how long it took him to get from that point. So first of all, we write down Pinetown's time, so that's the later time. And as we said, it is 4 hours, 54 minutes and 45 seconds. So we'll need to subtract the halfway time, which is 3 hours and 5 minutes and 14 seconds. So we need to find the difference in it. So this comes to, so if we subtract here, we see for the hour part, or first of all, for the second part, it was 45 seconds, and we subtract 14 from that. So that's going to give us 31. So 45 minus 14 comes to 31. So that's your seconds. Then your minutes, it was 54 minutes minus 5 minutes comes to 49 minutes. So it's going to be 49 minutes. And then subtract the 4 hours from 3. So, we need to subtract 3 hours from the 4, which is clearly 1 hour. that becomes 0, 1. And that's your answer. So it is 1 hour, 49 minutes, and 31 seconds. And then finally on to 1.2.3. It says convert the distance to Pinetown to meters. So the distance to Pinetown, we will read off the map, the table. So it's 68.9 kilometers, and we need to convert this into meters. So your Pinetown distance equals, so you read off 68.9 kilometers, and there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer, so we need to multiply this number by 1,000. So therefore in meters we need to take the 68, let's write that nicely, 68.9, and multiply it by 1,000, and this becomes 68,900 meters. And that is your final answer for 1.2.3. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making these videos possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.